I know you still here. Oh, how you doing? Oh, okay. Oh, did you have a good time out there? Oh. Yeah, I was like, you need to see it work here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he be outside. Hope not. Okay, nice to see you. Okay, you two take care. Right. Okay, y'all, got my order. Let's get this order started. Okay, y'all, laundry day. Laundry day. To get some tires. I need new tires. I think I told y'all that on one of my videos. And I usually, when I get an oil change, I wash at this laundromat and I drop my car off and I walk back over here to my clothes, and they'll call me when my car ready and I walk back over there. So let me go over here to the car place. Y'all, they be having the music in here. Well, not the music, they TV be loud and on, so yeah. So I probably ain't gonna record in here. Plus I gotta talk to him anyway, get him the keys and all that. So I'm finna get my oil change. Hey. They know my little car, y'all, my little Ford. They've been working on my car since I had it. Y'all, my little car been doing me right. That's why I got it, and I appreciate it. Been doing me good. I'm just across the street, seatbelt. That's why they put you on. I'm just across the street. That's all. Yeah, y'all, I need new tires, and I need an oil change, so these are people who do it for me. They already gave my estimate and all that. Thank you so much. Okay, have a good day. Okay, y'all, so drop my car off. So I'm just walking back to the laundromat. See, right here. And laundromat right here, Harbor Freight. So let me get out this street. The laundromat right here. The lady got this loud music at this laundromat, so gotta play my music over it. y'all, walking back over here to get my car. Thank God they called me just in time because I got done folding the clothes. So let me walk back over here real quick. One thing about me, y'all, I don't mind walking if I have to, and I don't mind getting on no bus if I have to. It don't matter. You gotta do what you gotta do, always. Hey, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got my oil change. And I got my tires, and he said I need a, because they always tell me what I need, because I do need something else fixed, but I'll get that real soon. So yeah, y'all, I thank God for everything. I need to run to the library and get a peace of mind to do some paperwork, you know, quiet, not at home. And I'm probably not gonna vlog that much. I might do a couple seconds at the library, but yeah, let me run to the library. Well, let me get my clothes first. Let me run over here, get the clothes, run to the library. And then I need to go to Walmart and get some groceries. And yeah. All right, y'all, let me get these clothes. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, made it to the library. There you go. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it so much. You're welcome. Okay. Y'all, I got a study room to fill out my paperwork. See, it's just me, quiet, and I love it. Y'all go see our local library. Y'all want quiet to yourself. My purse right here. Okay, I'll see y'all in a minute.